Single in the mood for potato, but the russets these days are huge. You can't possibly down a whole one. Let me show you how to work with a potato when you're single and in the mood. And best of all, no food waste. I've had canned potato soup from something, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn half of this into a mashed potato. Get that cut in half. Potatoes begin to oxidize when they come in contact with air, so we're gonna go ahead and submerge them in water until we're ready to use them. So get them submerged and I'll put them in the fridge. Now this will become our mashed potato. I like skin on. If you want, go ahead and skin off. I'm gonna take it in half, get this half into chunks. Same with this one. Go ahead and get a pot of water on your stove, boiling. Water's boiling, we added our potatoes. This should take about 10 minutes. Depending on how small you cut your potatoes, start checking them at the 5-minute mark. Time to test our potatoes for doneness. Go ahead and pull them out. Shove a fork in. Oh no, because don't stick that one. Try again. So, almost done, but because I can stick a fork in it, it's not there yet. Okay, you see how the potatoes is breaking underneath my fork? That tells me that these are done and ready to become mashed. Go ahead and drain these. To this we're gonna add about a tablespoon of butter, and in place of the normal milk, we're gonna add that half a can of potato soup. I'm all about using every last drop of something. Comes from working in restaurants. Every ounce is money, so I'm all about spatulas, because they get every last bit out. Perfectly clean can, no money wasted. Now go ahead, we'll get this all nice and mashed. I'm not making a gravy for this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a few spices to give it a little bit extra. Start with some pepper, a little dash of garlic powder, and because I have it laying around and I know how good it is in mashed potatoes, I'm actually using Orville Redenbacher's movie theater butter. It's funny, I don't like this on my popcorn. I love it in potatoes. Just give that a good stir. And beautiful mashed potatoes. These can be a great side dish, or you could add meat to them, make them an entire meal all by themselves. There we have it. Mashed potatoes for one, using a half can of soup so we wouldn't have any food waste. Moving on from our mashed potato, we're now going to take our other half here and make it a baked potato for one in the microwave. Grab your fork and go ahead and get stabby. Take all your day out on him. When my kids were at home, those baked potatoes were kind of a staple. Single mom, kids driving you crazy. Just get stabby on the potato. Let it have all of it. They can handle it. This will keep it from exploding in the microwave. Even if you're baking traditionally in an oven, you still want to get stabby. I have this super smart microwave where all I do is press the potato button and it'll weigh it and cook up to 4 of them by itself. But today I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this if you don't have a smart button. Pop it in there. I'm going to start it at 4 minutes on high. Okay, so now we're going to grab our fork and give it a check. So the fork goes in. Yeah, you can still kind of pick it up. Flip it over and see you can still pick it up. It picked it up, but also dropped it. So we'll give it another 2 minutes and see how it is then. It's all about increments and testing. All right, back to testing. Let's see here. Yep, fork goes in, comes right back out. Let's try the side. In and right back out. Flipper. In and right back out again. That is a done baked potato. Because everyone likes their baked potato dressed their way, I'm going to tell you how to dress this thing. Whether you're about butter, sour cream, onion, chive, who knows what. Go ahead and dress this up your way. I'm just showing you how to bake it in the microwave for one. So go ahead and get her cut open, split, and see, just it matches up perfectly. Perfectly cooked baked potato for one. Cooking for one can be fun and delicious, and most importantly, no food waste. Subscribe for more.